So this is my skull. So this one max capacity 180 kg, or you see 400 pound. LCD size is 74 by 28. Okay, blue backlight. It goes to here 2 battery or AAA. Okay, let me open it here. So this brand is the City. Okay, notice. Alright, it's the instruction. Alright, here become a Hitchix. Alright, let me open it now. Open that. Open that. Wow, very nice. Yeah, I feel this is really professional. Wow, look, this is glass, everything's glass. This comes with a measure, which is good. Wow, battery is already here. It's already include battery. See, when you use that, and you need to open this plastic. So I researched it, you know, this is the best one I found it, because many of skulls, so it doesn't comes with a pound. So this comes with a pound, you see, LB. The unity is here, so which you can switch it to the kg or pounds. So let me find out. Yeah, now I have a pound here. So if you want to switch to the kg, so you can press this unity. This button is right here. So once you press that, it should be changed. You see, it should be changed to the kg now. So I need a pound, so I'm gonna change it back to the pound. You see, now it's a pound. Very good, and this is very good price, you know. So that's why I bought this one. This is very good. I'm gonna link the description below, so you can buy from there. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching. Please subscribe and like it. I'll see you in my next video.